video we're gonna see the working of gas sensor and water level indication sensor with Arduino Uno. So we have a water level sensor here, which has 3 pin, a data pin, power pin and ground pin. We have a gas sensor here which has 4 pin, digital pin, analog pin, power pin, ground pin. So we are using analog pin here and power and ground pin as well. As this is the code we are used for this experiment. So this is the serial monitor values. See, everything is normal here until we dip the water level sensor in the bowl full of water. So there is a sudden surge of increment in the water level values. So we are also going to increase the gas value of this gas around us by spraying a spray at a gas sensor. See, there is a sudden surge in gas level too. You may see visibly there. So the gas level is now decreased. The water level also decreased. Thank you.